So how was that in the beginning? Because I would imagine if I started a party, I would not know what I'm doing or where I want to go, especially if you're new. So how is that feeling being a brand new party and being thrown into the political gambit? You know, as you now you're an experienced politician, but imagine at the early 20s, that must have been quite interesting. Let's put it this way.
It was a lot of fun. You know, there's that word in party, which is party. And so you run with the hits. You learn a lot while founding a newish party. You are learning a lot while trying to run that party, and you make a lot of mistakes. But somehow we managed to grow with it. Grow through making mistakes, grow through getting new people on board, integrating them into the party structure, and also negotiating the minefield that it is being in politics, even if you are not yet elected. So it was a lot of fun. We surprised everybody in 2013 when we managed to go beyond the 2% threshold that you need in an election to be considered, well, a serious contender for a party. And that for us was a sign that we were on the right path and that we should continue.